everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in and access your Overstock credit card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Overstock credit card online, first make sure to open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in d.community.net/overstock and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in this page, you can click on the sign in button at the top of the screen in order to end up in the login area for your Overstock Store Credit Card. Type in your username in the first text box and your password on the next. If you don't have an online account yet, you can click on this register now link at the bottom of the screen and follow the on-screen prompts in order to first register to your Overstock credit card account. After you have an account, you can simply type in the username associated with your account and head over to the password field and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking the I icon or the show link on the right corner. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials, check this remember me box beneath. Make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared computer. If you don't remember your password or your username, click on this forgot username/password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for them. After you click on the sign in button, you'll be able to log in and get access to your Overstock credit card online. That's how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.